Market's gone wild. Maybe a new video for Daytona Beach. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Update for Tuesday, March the 23rd. And, well, the NCAA has been wild, and so are the markets. And this update is brought to you by our friends and one of our brokerage partners. It's the CTG Group, who, of course, handles all of our letter of direction trading, including my accounts, and as well as has some great managed futures products. Again, I remind you, I do have other brokerage accounts, but our preferred partner is the CTG Group, and of course, they've got the best customer service I've ever seen, so make sure you check them out. You can go online and go to CTG, or you can email me, and I'll email you a special link. In the meantime, markets are nuts, okay? They've been up, they've been down. The Russell's getting clobbered while the NASDAQ is going up. The Dow is about flat, and the S&P is up big. So, again, very much similar action to yesterday. We're still long across the board. And, you know, as I tell you all the time, I mean, you know, we'll see when the trend changes, we'll change. Until then, we're not going to change. Okay, it's really pretty much that simple. Okay, as we look at markets all the time and on a daily basis, but we don't want to be overly active because we don't want to get caught up in the emotional swings that happen during the day. The metals are under pressure. And of course, I wrote this morning that I would expect to see some heavy pressure because the inability to rally only could most likely lead to lower prices. Gold's on about $13 at the moment. Silver's on about 60 cents, and platinum is flat. Okay, but again, we don't trade platinum anymore, but we would be short all three if we did. Oil is under pressure again, and you know we are short oil now. As I tell you, that's why we just play the trends, okay, and we're looking for the opportunities in markets. But this is what we would expect, okay, oil to be under some pressure after the massive rally. So again, we're short oil and look for a continuation of the selling. And when it changes back, we'll obviously reverse back with it. Nat gas is lower, we're short. Copper is lower, we're short. The dollar is higher, we're long. And, as you look across the bow of the markets, you can see some very, very wild action. So, it's not for us to figure out when it's going to change. We can see the Fed is kind of panicking. There's a Fed speak every day this week. But, we're going to continue to play it as we do. And, of course, in the grain markets, suddenly, the grains have taken off to the upside after being relatively flat with the wheat lower this morning, and now we're higher across the board, nicely higher. The meats are mixed. We still remain long. All the grains, of course, corn and beans and short wheat. And, of course, we're long across the board in the meats and the protein complex, but only hogs are higher right now. Fats and feeders are slightly lower. And the softs, you've got all down across the board, okay? We're short cotton. We're long OJ. We're short coffee, we're short sugar, and we're short cocoa, all down. So at the end of the day, like I said, it's a business of trading it like a business and not trying to outguess or outsmart the markets. Okay. In the meantime, don't forget about our partners at Family Farms. Again, a great partner to have. And of course, our goals are always to help farmers do better with their crops and help them manage the capital better and allow them to stay in markets without being nervous about what goes on. And of course, our other brokerage partner, which is Tradier Brokerage. And of course, they are $10 a month, which is the biggest thing. But if you take away that, you add in, they have great customer service and the fact that we have their APIs, which we can automate our trading methods through them if you choose. Now, again, it's not required. It is simply something that if you choose to do so, there's no charge for it. Okay. It is still $10 a month at Tradier. It is part of the membership in which when you sign up to do the portfolio models. Again, I do have other brokers, but this is who we've automated it through. And it just works out very well because of the cost. So think about it. That's why we do it. And our commodity report written by Andy Hecht, what a phenomenal report. Again, you got to check it out. I mean, we got to check out the webinar we just did. But go to BubbaTrading.com, Technomental. Our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And our basketball sections broke yesterday, and another wild day in the NCAA. And we'll be back over the weekend with the Sweet 16. Have a great trading day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, March the 23rd. We'll see you back here tomorrow.